To be able to effectively set up and tweak video analytics, it is crucial to understand the main keywords used. This document discusses them and is available as a download link in the description. The difference between video analytics and a video algorithm is that video analytics watches the video stream for you. It recognizes the scene and makes decisions while the video algorithm allows it to make the correct decisions. Essentially, the video stream is a series of images transmitted in rapid succession. These images are called frames. These frames are made up of a series of tiny little dots called pixels, which carry information about the color, saturation, and brightness of that portion of the picture. Variations in the pixels from frame to frame are what video analytics relies on. A simplified analytics process would look something like this. Detect the background pixels, detect the foreground pixels, subtract the noise, extract the blobs, filter the unwanted blobs, track the object, configure the events and triggers. Don't worry if you feel a little confused at this point. Let's explain it further. The scene or field of view is the entire image area caught by the camera, and a video stream is a series of images or frames transmitted and displayed in quick succession. Background pixels are those pixels that remain unchanged from previously transmitted frames. Foreground pixels are those pixels that are not the same as the corresponding pixels in previous frames and represent motion. At this point, foreground and background pixels can be separated. Repetitive motion is unwanted and is termed noise. It can be caused by leaves or long grass in the wind or rippling water and can obscure objects. It therefore needs to be filtered out. This filtering is accomplished by an algorithm that can accurately subtract the noise from the wanted motion. This in turn allows other algorithms to accurately detect and track objects. Once the noise is removed, the foreground pixels that remain are checked, and if they are neighbors or are touching, and if they share some other common property, maybe a grayscale value, then they are binary large objects or blobs. The purpose of blobs is to isolate objects. The blobs are then filtered and the unwanted ones are discarded. The remaining blobs are classified and can be acted on according to a set of rules or algorithms. So it can be seen that the foundation of accurate object detection and activity recognition is the proper detection and separation of background and foreground pixels. This is essentially the job of the background model. To reduce the required processing, only certain areas of interest or zones are analyzed. The zone is often a user-defined area. An algorithm would then be loaded to detect and recognize an activity of interest. When activity recognition occurs, this event would in turn trigger a predefined action. In the case of this simple video, just a flashing light. This is a brief and simplified explanation of the main keywords used in video analytics. Thank you for watching.